Took her from South Beach, boat to the South Beach. Too many sticks when they kick it be bouncing. I came with the bag and I ran out the cheddar. Ain't saving no bitch and I came with the X. Got real Maltese and I got real testers. Too many bitches so I fuck on her best friend. Hold on.
So it's time for this rebuild. Parts done came in, all of that. Everything is loose. It's all probably finger tightened from before when we looked at it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all this stuff off. Shouldn't take long at all. Let y'all see all the way around it. Nice Yz125 Top End is toasted. No compression. But we gonna fix that. Antenna head. Got the dome in there. Then your basic wide scope piston. The gasket, of course. That's all we need to get this job done. So let's get it done today. Let's go. Making some progress. Got the header off, radiators off, tank off, seat off. Now, take these out, take the carb off, cylinder head off, and cylinder. Then take the old piston off, put the new one in. Gaskets, put the cylinder back on, new cylinder head, and we good. Got the cylinder off, cylinder head. Look at that piston, man. That piston is toasted, detonated, all of the above. So it's the cylinder head, but he got a new antenna cylinder head for it, so it's good. But man, talking that thing is gone. New piston on. I always have trouble getting these little circlips in. I got both of them, man. I ain't set that yet, but soon. But making progress. Gotta get that out. Probably do that with my finger or something. But it's really taking not as long as I thought. I mean, I did it so many times, but we'll be done with it today. All right, so we got the new cylinder. We went ahead and ordered this. So what I'm doing now is putting the studs in. Simple. Get that nut, screw it on there a little bit. Get that one, screw it all the way down on top of that one. Then tighten them together. Then get the wrench and loosen that one right there, and it's gonna come out. So this is the new one. I already got all 4 of those in there. I got the last one to go. Then we can slap it on. Well, I gotta take all that off, put it on there, then slap her on, and we should be maybe done tonight. So the next step, you gotta take all of this junk out. Look at all that oil in there. But I gotta take all of that out, put it into this new one, put it all in there. Then she'll finally be ready to put on, but my bad, man, it's late. It's late at night. I'm out here working. Motor is fully assembled, you know what I'm saying? Antenna, everything. It's ready to get the exhaust on, radiators on, plastics, and she gonna run. Better than it ever did before, you did. Look at that. All together. Now it's time to see if it's gonna fire up. Look at that. Ooh, getting bougie. That gold gold series FML. I can't afford that.
Hey, it didn't cost me nothing.
I can't afford that.
My daddy about that. Hey. Look.
Make sure everything's everything. Little this bike, you know, and this bike start and run as supposed to without giving us trouble, amen. Make sure everything's everything. Little compression kit.